What's up, online shoppers? I don't know about you, but I don't like moving things and being surprised by snakes. And I have found a solution that works around our house. Now, I'm gonna start off by saying we don't have a lot of harmful, dangerous snakes around where I live, but we do have a lot of garden snakes that tend to just be there where I don't wanna see them. So I have found a solution that works. This is the Ortho Snake B Gone, and I like it for a couple different reasons. Now, you can get it in a couple different size packages, but this one here is super convenient. You can get it in a 2-pack, a 1-pack, so you can get what you need, which is awesome. And I like this pack for a couple reasons. First of all, it has a really great shaker lid built in already. So when you're using the product, all you have to do is shake like that and it's gonna come out. Now, I'll give you a close-up of the product so you can see what it looks like, but you can see that the shaker works really nice, just like that. It is these little granules. You can see them right here. They're small, they shake out really nice, and they are super effective on deterring the snakes from coming around our house. Now, if you buy it in the 2-pack like I did, it's gonna cover just about 1,500 square feet of area. Not that I go out and sprinkle it around my whole garden and everything, but I do put it around the doors and around the windows because I did find a snake in my basement one time because he got in through a window that was open a crack. That wasn't fun. This product works really well for preventing the snakes from entering your house, from nesting around your house, and from foraging around your house because it actually has a smell that they don't like. Even though it has a smell that the snakes don't like, the reason I like this product is it doesn't have a smell that I don't like. The smell of it is actually kind of a green, fresh outside smell. So I don't find it to be unpleasant at all. And when I've sprinkled it, it doesn't overpower and become something that I only smell when I go outside. Now, here's something else I like about this product. Take a look here. I always worry about my dogs and my cats. And this made me feel comfortable ordering this product. Now, they do say that if you have a heavy rainfall, you should reapply. So that's why when I buy it, I always buy it in a 2-pack because I put on my initial treatment, and every time we have like a heavy rainfall, then I go out and do another shake in those areas that I think are particularly prone to having the snakes hanging out. As well, they suggest that about every 30 days you use this. That means probably about 2 or 3 times in a summer. So this is a good volume to have. This product has been a lifesaver around my house, and I'm really happy that I found it. I love that I can use it without worrying about the other people and creatures that live around my house, and that it does keep the snakes away, and I don't have to worry about being surprised. If you're looking for a way to keep the snakes away from your house that doesn't smell, that has easy application, and that is one that you can use with a clear conscience, this Ortho Snake B Gone is awesome, and it is definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.